The Belkin Difference, pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years. See your charging status at a glance with a smart LED light located on the cable connector. Green means your device is fully charged. Amber shows your device is still charging. Double-branded nylon cable exterior and aircraft-grade aluminum connectors for enhanced strength and durability. MFi-Certified to meet Apple safety standards for reliable operation with all iOS devices. Fast charge iPhone 8 or later from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes when paired with a power delivery-enabled USB-C charger, not included. Compatible devices. Smartphone. Compatible phone models. iPhone X. The latest smart LED technology from Belkin allows you to see your iPhone charge status at a glance. A custom circuit board with proprietary firmware communicates with your iPhone battery and displays a green or amber LED depending on your charge level. The amber light lets you know your iPhone is connected and charging, while the green light means you've got a full charge. Fast charge an iPhone from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes when combined with a PD-enabled USB-C charger. Top reviews from the United States. Belkin Lightning Cable. I have used a lot of cables before, this one beats and surpasses the lot. When I use a fast charge power adapter or power bank, this cable allows more power safely to charge your device. As communicates with the device and a light on the cable plug shows progress. Green full charge, amber is still charging. Also, it's a strong flexible woven cable.